Do you have a Windows computer and you also have AMD graphics card? And sometimes Windows can actually replace your drivers with their own drivers, and sometimes they are older drivers that doesn't really work with your latest hardware. And there's one solution to fix it, and I want to show you how to do that today. So what we're going to do is go down to the search bar and just type, oh, I already typed it, so it already shows up there. But if you don't see it, just type View Advanced, and it should just come up on the top of the search, and just go to, it basically says View Advanced System Settings. So just go in there, and then click on the, where is it? Hardware over there. Go to settings for the hardware over here, and you will see, do you want to download the manufacturer app? Like basically, do you want to let Microsoft download it for you? You just say no. No. Microsoft needs to stop this. I don't want Microsoft to download old crappy hardware drivers for my computer. I want the latest, greatest hardware updates for my computer. So Microsoft, just stop doing this.